Okay, I just saw this tweet going around saying the COVID vaccines are made with SV40, and SV40 causes cancer. That honestly freaked me out.
Yeah, I can see why. Anytime you see vaccine, virus, and cancer in the same sentence, it's gonna hit hard.
Exactly. And it sounds so scientific that I don't even know what to believe.
Totally. Those kinds of claims are scary because they sound technical, like there's something hidden in the fine print. And it's completely okay to ask about it. Cancer is such an emotional topic, and you're not wrong for wanting clarity. Can I ask what part feels most alarming? Is it the idea that something cancer-related is in the vaccine? Or just the feeling that you can't trust what's in it?
Both. Like, why would SV40 be anywhere near a vaccine?
That's a really fair question. Would it be okay if I shared what SV40 actually is, and what this claim is mixing together?
Yes, please.
So SV40 is a virus that's mostly found in monkeys. A long time ago, scientists worried about it because parts of the virus can make proteins called tumor antigens, basically proteins that could help cancer grow in certain lab settings. And there is a real historical piece people point to. In the early days of polio vaccines, like decades ago, some batches were accidentally contaminated with SV40 because the manufacturing process back then didn't fully kill it off. That was taken really seriously. But here's the important part. Large studies followed people who received those polio vaccines. And they did not have higher cancer rates.
Okay, so even that didn't pan out the way people claim?
Right. What's happening now is different. People are hearing SV40 and assuming the whole virus is in COVID vaccines. But it's not. In labs, a tiny piece of SV40 DNA called a promoter is sometimes used during manufacturing. A promoter is basically an on switch that helps cells make proteins while you're producing something. It is not the part of SV40 that makes tumor antigens. And it's not considered an ingredient in the final vaccine. Almost all of it is removed before the shot is finished.
So it's more like a tool used in production, not something being injected?
Exactly. It's a manufacturing detail that gets misrepresented as a cancer virus in the vaccine. It's not.
That tweet made it sound like the vaccine was dangerous on purpose.
Totally. The way it's framed is meant to feel like a shocking discovery. But the actual evidence doesn't support the idea that COVID vaccines cause cancer. In fact, there's interesting research showing mRNA vaccines may help the immune system recognize and attack cancer cells. And scientists are even studying mRNA technology for future cancer treatments.
Wow, that's the opposite of what the tweet implied.
Yeah. It's one of those cases where a scientific-sounding term is used to scare people. I'm really glad you asked instead of just sitting with that fear. If you want, I can send a clear explainer from Voices for Vaccines that breaks it down without all the jargon.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Of course. Anytime.